up guys, Eric from B-Sonic here. We have a 2025 Chevy Silverado. This isn't typically the car that you expect on our channel, but here we have our first domestic truck, and we have just installed our Encore Alpha 3 Series amplifier. This car is so easy to install the amp, just seriously anyone can do it. It literally took us a minute to find that connector, and it's all plug and play with our plug and play harness, plugged into our amplifier, and it really transforms the audio on this car right away. So we want to show you that in this video. This is exactly how easy it is to install and how much difference it makes on this car audio system. We installed a little switcher so you can see in real time the difference it makes just by having our amp. So hopefully you could hear it in our video. We'll have that in the same video after I'm done talking. So let me show you how easy it is to install first. So on the passenger side here, if you tuck your head under the glove box area, okay, so this trim here, this is the base model. It doesn't have a undercover under this glove box. So most of the Silverados, you'll find like a little panel here. There's 3 clips, plastic clips. You just easily remove it. Everything drops down. And after it drops down, I like to pull this connector down here. It's just being held by this plastic clip here. Just pull it down, just give you some room. Put it to the side. And I have our harness just tucked in here for now. This is a prototype harness. Yours will look much cleaner and the lengths will be matched. So I'm just gonna have the cameraman peek his camera down here. But there's 2 connectors that you need to remove from up here. All right, so those are the 2 connectors you're gonna pull out. And then actual connector that we pulled out from the factory harness connects to this block, our female part of our harness here, like so. And when you're pulling this connector out from the factory, this is how it looks. It'll have these plastic tabs that pushes in, it locks in. Okay, it's gonna be locked in from the factory. Stick your finger in there or some tool and then pull it up. Unlock, push down on this tab and then pull out. That's how you'll remove the factory one. Very, very easy. And once you have that going, we routed the cable. The cable is long enough for you to route anywhere you want in the car. We routed it here, okay? Excuse the messy connector here, but we just wanted to give you an idea. This is our switcher, which doesn't come with a kit. We just have this for our testing purposes. And then we just tucked it on over here. The kit comes with a Velcro tape. You can attach it here, like so, or you can flip this and attach a double-sided tape right under this panel here. Okay, and there's 2 ways. Or you can also route it to the inside of your glove box. So those are the different areas that we found that works in routing this amplifier. And just to give you a bit more information on this Encore Alpha 3 Series amplifier, this amplifier is very special because it also provides a sub output. So which means that it's very easy to add subwoofer to this amplifier. You can get one of those power subwoofers where it's a subwoofer and an amplifier in one. Very easy to mount, and a lot of times they will fit under your seat, which will make it a super easy install. All you have to do is connect from here straight directly to your power sub, and you also have a remote wire connect from here that connects to your new aftermarket power subwoofer. So you can route the cable through here, back here, go under the carpet, get it out, and just tuck it under the passenger seat. And there you go. Now you also have a subwoofer in your vehicle. And this amplifier here is made in Japan. Very, very high quality components are used. It has separate front and rear adjustments. And this also has the auto sense feature where the amp can turn on with a speaker signal or the ACC signal. For this car, it doesn't really matter because it already has the ACC signal, but there's cars like the Ford vehicles where the radio doesn't give accessories. So it's very important that we have this feature here. And another thing to mention that's very important is this is very, very small. To give you a comparison of how small it is, let me grab my iPhone 16 and just give you that comparison. Pretty small. Now that I explained the amplifier, let's turn on some music and show you the difference between the factory and our amplifier.
Yeah.
All right, we're in the vehicle. Press the play button. Okay, turn down the music so you guys could hear me a bit. And we went and tested using our switcher. Made a really cool switch that does it. Of course, this doesn't come with the kit, just for our research purposes. So with it off, I mean, this factory system, I'm sorry, Chevy, you guys could have done much better. Thankfully, we have the solution to really fix your audio quality issue on this car, and you don't have to break the bank to do so. With this very easy to install plug and play solution, you can literally transform your car audio system in very short time. As I showed you earlier, it's super easy to install, right? And right now it is turned off. The volume is of course low, but just by pressing it, I say increased about 30% volume output, and there's more clarity. There's much more detail in the music that I wasn't able to hear before, and it just sounds like you got a whole new sound system just by adding this plug and play amplifier. And there is, turned it off, and it feels like the whole music just, the whole audio, it feels like the whole audio just got muted right now. All right, let me show you the difference while I have the volume up higher. It's the build up, just wait until the music starts playing its melody. Right now it's still off. So this is factory, it sounds very boring. It's off. Huge difference, guys. I mean, this one makes a very, very big difference. And a lot of the questions we get asked frequently is, can you still change the factory speakers if you want even more? Yes, you can. Just make sure you keep it at 4 ohms rating. And when you're changing the speakers out, guys, just be careful with the type of speakers you get. Like for the top speakers, you want to see what the factory used on the top speakers. Make sure you keep the same type. And especially the door speakers over here, a lot of times the coaxials don't work well over here. You might get some buzzing. That's just the way your factory head unit tuned the vehicle. So whatever specifications of the factory speaker is, just make sure you stay the same. So if these are door woofers, get door woofers. If it's factory coaxials, which I highly doubt, I think the coaxials are used on the rear seats, use the coaxials in the rear seat, just how the car factory has originally used. So keep it within the factory specification so that it works well with your factory head unit. All right, guys, well, that concludes our installation, a quick demonstration of our Encore Alpha 3 series on the Chevy Silverado. As you guys can see, guys, I hope you guys were able to hear the difference from this video, but it makes a huge difference and it's a very easy installation. So if you guys are curious on how much difference it really makes, come to bsonikusa.com. It's ready to purchase right now. Or if you have any questions, you can also leave a comment below. You can email us at info@bsonikusa.com. Thank you very much for watching our video and always supporting our channel. If you haven't yet, help us more by giving us a like and also a subscribe button. Thank you very much. See you guys on the next video.